Good morning from Fukuoka. We've just packed up and we're about to go to the Hakata station to take the Shinkansen to Hiroshima. See you guys there. Didn't get to do a proper room tour, but this is our second hotel. Bathroom area, bedroom. It's a lot smaller than the other one that we stayed at, but more modern.
So you were closed.
Yes.
Where did you go?
Nagoya.
Nagoya. There's a camera market.
Department stores, 6 camera shops together in January the Fukuoka, February the Tokyo Ginza. Only man, dry, early morning, 2 weeks. Sometimes me too. Yes.
Which one?
Yes.
That's you?
Yes.
Oh, wow.
This is very dangerous. It's a kabuki.
総務ご自身が
Oh.
一番得意としていたのはこの1
So
年過去一番
very
まで
dangerous
3度串台を経験
festival.
なさっ
So
ています
young people
若手の書き手たち
Carry
に慕われている
serious.
本当に
1000
6
ton
年続けて一番です
carry up.
まだ平成に入りまして
Very serious
どこも出してい
young
ません
people.
さあ本気で狙う串台
Early morning 5 o'clock. Many audience.
Whoa.
Where was this? Where? Local?
Here.
Yes, never Kushida should see.
Oh. Amazing.
So what were you shouting here?
Yeah,
You were
Yeah.
shouting.
Yeah. Good. Okay.
Go away.
Hisao desu.
Hisao Gogo.
Yeah, thank you.
よろしくお願いします。
こちらこそ。
またね。またね。So impressed with this camera shop we found in Fukuoka. 79-year-old camera shop in the middle of Nakasuka Wabata called GoGo Camera. It's got all my favorite film, old cameras like Canon, Nikon, Olympus. It was just so much fun.
So cute that they put a blanket on top of the.
Hakata Station, お願いします。
This is the line for the Shinkansen. Shinkansen reserves from Hakata.
Hiroshima there.
Today. Okay. Hakata Maze. packaging is so pretty. I like this shop's bad logo. Thank you very much. Arigatou gozaimasu. Mentaiko mustard green. Away. I remember we got this before when we went to the island.
Every plant has its own QR code.
So this is a yuzu pepper flavor, mentaiko flavor, salty.
We will soon make a brief stop at Hiroshima, so please be ready to get off before the train stops.
広島のお出口は右側です。
So we got some Kodak Gold, which I got this morning from GoGo Camera.
Whoa, I wasn't expecting it to be such a busy train station. Hiroshima also has their own IC card mascot, which is a blue platypus. In the same way that you see mentaiko all over Fukuoka, Hiroshima's symbol is the momiji, or maple leaf. Kawaii. Made it to the streetcar.
Go to the streetcar.
Distracted by this giant Patagonia store. Ralph with like this orange jacket.
It's like a hard green.
Nice color. These bags are so cute. Look at this. They gave us free stickers. So this is our hotel room in Hiroshima. Cute space. The Japanese toilet, a tub area, and the bedroom. is oyster curry bread. Let's try this oyster curry bread. Curry bread. It's pretty big. Let's try this. Oh, there's the oyster.